Make a great choice today with the 2015 Grand Cherokee. The Jeep Grand Cherokee offers superior off-road capability comparable to that of the upscale Land Rover LR3. This makes the Grand Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: powered driver's seat, steering wheel audio controls, four-wheel drive, traction control, air conditioning, alloy wheels, cruise control, hands-free link system, climate control, bucket seats. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.